Hey, welcome back to CGR. So today I'm gonna be doing probably the easiest, the quickest installation you could do on any Durango. Now this company makes a bunch of trim products for Dodge Durangos, Challengers, and Chargers. Also Grand Cherokees. The trim piece I'm gonna be installing is, so if I had a video when I did these, and then I did this center one, I still want to get something from the inside here, not sure, but right now it's kind of matching right here. This one I did install. Fortunately, I didn't get to record that one. And then I do have some on the pillar and here. Other than that, I haven't had any other ones. So what I'm installing, I'm gonna put a picture in the right corner, and they are for the vents. Now these are gonna go, it comes with a pack of 4 for your 4 front vents. Obviously, before you put them on, try it before taking the adhesive out, and then put it on. This one looks like it's right here. So that's what I'm about to do. It's this product is they're from the same company as this, and they've lasted me since I bought this truck in 2019, and they're still on here. So I got good faith in them. So I'm gonna open one up, install this one real quick, show you how it looks. I'm gonna get a microfiber just to clean it, get any dust out of the way. Other than that, man, it's pretty easy installation. So let me go ahead and do that, and then I'll show you how it looks. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So I basically just inserted the top piece first, and then I'm just using my finger to firmly, so make sure it's firmly on there. And I mean, you can see the difference. It looks way nicer. And you can see how, that one looks right there compared to this one. So it's probably one of the easiest installs you could do to your Durango. And this company has so much stuff for this Durango. They got one for here that I got to order, one on the stereo, one on here for your shifter, for this panel, that panel, this curved panel here. They got so much good stuff that eventually I'm going to end up buying. But, it is a little pricey, but I've seen other companies and the material doesn't hold up like this company does. So, that saying, you get what you pay for, obviously that's a saying for some reason, right? You get what you pay for. So I'm going to stick with this company, even though it's on the pricier end. This is specifically molded to fit directly on here. So this pack of 4 was $35, and the cool thing, it is on Amazon Prime, so it got shipped. Unfortunately for me, I got it next day, so I'm just missing the other 3. I'm gonna put the other 3, show you how it looks. So as you can see, it's probably one of the easiest installs you could do to your Dodge Durango. So pretty easy to do. So when I get another product like this, I'll make sure to include it, show you guys. Link for this product will be in the description. I hope you guys liked it, helped you out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.